everything has a foundation. So the buildings and houses also have a foundation, which supports it to not fall or transfer its weight to the ground safely. For example, your body is a building, so your foots are the foundation. Or another example is that let us consider a tree as a building, so its roots are a foundation for the tree which supports it. Different buildings have different types of foundation. So, according to their requirement, my research consideration is piled raft foundation, which is in a simple word, a concrete bed with multiple legs as shown in the figure. These types of foundation are most suitable for the tall buildings. Nowadays, every tall building has multiple basements, which are used for the parking and storage purposes. Now, these tall buildings are subjected to different horizontal loads due to the earthquake load or the winds load, especially in our country, Pakistan, which is in a critical zone of earthquake, and here the winds are blowing with a great speed, which exerts a lot of horizontal forces on that building as shown in the figure. So conventionally, the engineers consider that these horizontal forces are only and only resisted by the foundation. And they made this foundation to resist only the horizontal forces. So after my research studies, when I performed different experiments, and I performed about 4 or 5 times these experiments on the basement wall, so I concluded that about 70% of these horizontal forces are resisted by the basements, and 30% of the remaining forces are resisted by the foundation. By this, we can reduce the number of legs or number of piles from the foundation to make this foundation to resist only the 30% of the load, not 100%, because it is not required. Already the basement provides the resistance to these loads. So by this, our foundation will be economical and we will achieve sustainable development goals. Thank you.